Hey everyone, Trevor Sikkema welcoming you into Favorite Fits. After roasting Brentley's mock draft a couple of days ago, I do have to give him some props now for some team prospect fits that I really liked from his mock draft, starting with him reuniting one of the greatest quarterback wide receiver duos in college football history by giving the Cincinnati Bengals wide receiver Jamar Chase at number 6 overall. Now, I know what Bengals fans are going to say when they yell at me. AJ Green, Tyler Boyd, T. Higgins, Auden Tate, John Ross. That's a pretty deep group of wide receivers right there. But AJ Green's up after this year, and the team is likely done with John Ross too. Grabbing Chase would not only keep that group strong, but give Burrow his favorite option from college, where they won a national championship together, now in the NFL. Next, let's talk Detroit Lions. Brentley has them grabbing the super athlete linebacker from Penn State, Micah Parsons, in round 1, and then he has them grabbing Alabama defensive lineman Christian Barmore in round 2. That's a double win in my book because two of the Lions' top needs on defense are that linebacker spot and then a pass rusher from the interior. Parsons hopefully gives them that freak athlete in the middle they thought they were drafting with Jarrad Davis, which hasn't exactly worked out. And Barmore finally gives them that plus pass rush option coming from the middle. I really do love this pairing for Detroit. Last but not least, let's fix that Philadelphia linebacker room, shall we? The Eagles lost out on picking Micah Parsons and Dylan Moses in round 1, but Brentley saved the day by giving them UNC linebacker Chaz Surratt in round 2. The Eagles linebacker group has been a glaring issue for this defense, especially in coverage. As a former dual threat quarterback, Surratt reads the offense so well because he's been in their shoes. He's a plus athlete for the position, and his mental processing is now close in line with how well he can move. Him and then Virginia Tech cornerback Caleb Farley, who Brentley has them taking in round 1, would be a great 1-2 pairing for this Eagles defense. 2 rounds down, 1 more to go. Make sure you're checking in with thedraftnetwork.com to see how Brentley rounds out your team's haul with round 3 later this week.